Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are approved and officially a LLC now. Thank you, Secretary of State Montana. It was a very simple looking email. I'm going to continue with this Reddit post here. We are done with step 1. He says, I don't think we need to really do step 2. Going to continue reading this. Call some people, see where we end up. Okay, after doing my own research and calling a bunch of people, this Reddit post is pretty accurate. I will let you guys read over that. The Flathead website says we need to go through MVD Express. The only way to do it in person is through Lewis and Clark, but we are not physically flying to Montana. So ultimately, we need to use one of these services for them to physically be there in order to get our license plates. They are all the same, I think. This one is about $1,000, and if you need the LLC, they charge an additional $300. This one's $749, LLC is $300. Same thing over here, $749, $300, which matches with the Reddit post. This part, definitely do yourselves. We did it in the last video. It was very easy to register an LLC. It was only $30. This $549 is unavoidable. I didn't see one this cheap, so we are going with one of these $749s. Once you register with them and call them and pay them, they sent me an email that looked like this. The top 3 we got from Japan. These 2 we got from filling it out while we were picking up the truck. The only hard one was this one, and I made a separate video on how to get this VIN inspection. Everything else is pretty easy. Bill of sales, power of attorney. Let's go print these out. Visit a notary, drop everything off at the post office, and wait for our plates. After a month of waiting, we finally got our plates. I blocked out some of the physical information, but DOJ, State of Montana. Here's what the plates look like. Video number 188 done.